Hi friends, I hope all of you are safe and well today. Always we are too much concerned and someone is saying that whether are you saying true or false. And it's a great point of our life also, whether we are saying true or we are gallant, we are false statement we are giving. And like this one, truth is always important in our life, no doubt in it. That's why, and today we are going to learn and read and recite the first poem of Standard Faith. The name of the poem is The Truth, written by Anthony Smith. So, friends, get ready with your pencil and open the page and follow the video and try to learn and recite with mind. The first of the poem, The Truth, is one of the important, one of the interesting poem we can say. In this poem, the poet has said much about the truth, what is truth and what is the importance of truth in our life and how we can go through this way and if how we can say it or if we say anything wrong to anyone and what will happen with us. The poet has given a description of that one. And so let's get started, friends. The title, the truth. Here, the present title, truth means all of you know that what has a real figure, which has a true speech. We can say truth. Means John Keats, one of the greatest romantic poet, he has said that truth is always beautiful because beauty is truth and truth is beauty. That's why the poet said that truth means always we have to go through this way. Don't say anything wrong to anyone else because this is the mainstream of our life. That's why the poet has said truth. Be truthful and always try to say what is straightforward and what is real. And let's recite the poem. And at first we will recite the poem one stanza by one stanza. After that one we'll explain. Okay, friends? Say what you want, mean what you say. Remember the darkest lights of that day. In this first stanza, the poet has said that say what you want. Means poet has said that don't get tense, don't think too much. Whatever you are thinking in your mind, try to express it. Because it is the spontaneous matter, it is natural matter. That's why say, the poet has said, you said what you want. Means whatever you have in your mind, whatever you are thinking in your mind, whatever you want to express in front of others, you can say without fear. Where the mind is without fear, this is truth. And that's why the poet has said that say what you want. If you are confused, if you think that whether need to say or not, need to suppress it or need to hide it, then it is not truth. Truth is always beautiful and it will express, it will come out. That's why don't try to hide it. Maybe in our mind or maybe in any tough and rough situation and any critical situation, we should be truthful always. Mean what you say. Means whatever you have in your mind, whatever you have poses in your mind, you just express it. Because there is no way without truth. If we go through the wrong way, wrong path, someone will notice and someone will say any day and one day. So always remember in mind that if you follow the track of truth, no one is there to follow you or to scold you. But if you go through in wrong way, everybody will scold us. So that's the matter. And mean what you say. Mean means what do you want to say. That is the main matter. That is the main truth of mind. Our mind is here and there everywhere. And we are always thinking about lot matter, about everything, and we analyze, we criticize, and already we explain everything, every minute matters in our mind. That's why we have to express, we have to focus on everything through our speech or tongue. That's why the poet has said, say, don't stop your mouth, because if you want to say something else which is truthful, just open it, express it in front of others. This is the main way of life. Remember the darkest lights of that day. The poet has given 5 description and analogy, and it's a great philosophy of our life also. Remember always the darkest lights of that day. If you say lie to anyone, then you are doing something harm of yourself, of your mind also. If you want to keep your mind fresh, then you have to follow the track of the truth. Because what is darkness of mind? Darkest. The poet has given this word, used this word due to express that darkest means darkness in our mind. If you say anyone to lie, then it is the darkness of mind, of our mind. But if you are truthful always, then you are just like lights of the day. Light means, when we know very well that when sun rises in the east, right, then the sun gives us the sunlight and the whole world glitters through its sunshine. And like this one, if you say the truth, truth's beauty, truth's lights will highlight the whole world, the whole mind of us. That's why that day you will think that I didn't do anything wrong. I am on the way and I am correct in my own way. So whole day will spend correctly and in a good way. But if you say anything wrong or anything false to anyone, then the whole day will not run superbly. Always you will think out in your mind that, oh no, already I said to him or her a lie. This type of double-minded question or this type of confusion in our mind will run. That's why the poet has said, don't lie to anybody. Be cheerful and be truthful. So through the first stanza, the poet has said that, say what you want, mean what you say. Whatever in your mind you have or you possess, you should express it without any hesitation, without any burden or any ego factor. That's why the poet is saying, remember the darkest lights of that day. If you want to enlist your name on the blacklist, means everybody will say to you, oh, you are a liar. You tell me or you told me lie. So this type of speech should not be there, because be truthful. Lead a life with honesty. Lead a life with honesty so that everybody will respect. No need to salute anybody if you are following the track of the truth. Everybody will salute you. But if you are following quite different way, which is wrong one, then you have to follow, then you have to salute everyone. The poet is saying like this: be spontaneous, be natural.